A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means game. C for cat, cat means billi. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for goat, goat means bakri. H for hen, hen means murgi. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for juice, juice means juice. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means sher. M for monkey, monkey means bandar. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for orange, orange means santra. P for parrot, parrot means तोता. Q for quail, quail means बटेर जो कि एक तरह का पक्षी होता है. R for rat, rat means चूहा. S for sunflower, sunflower means सूरजमुखी. T for tiger, tiger means बाघ. U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता. V for van, van means van. W for watermelon, watermelon means तरबूज. X for Xmas tree, Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak, yak means जंगली बैल. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. Thanks for watching. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूले. बाय बाय.